At a major hospitality venue in Melbourne, a complex AV system was holding teams back. Conference spaces were not combining as required, the interface was confusing, and audio did not combine correctly. No schematics or original code were available. We scoped the system ground up, physically checking device placement, mapping connectivity, and aligning functionality with real user needs. Using a Crestron CP4 processor and TSW-770 touch panels, we rebuilt the control logic from scratch. Audio was reprogrammed on a Symetrix DSP, creating 12 clearly defined zones. Visionary encoders and decoders were fully integrated to ensure reliable video routing. We rebuilt the logic, redesigned the UI, and reprogrammed the entire Crestron-based system, control, audio, video, and room combining. An intuitive interface with seamless room combining and reliable control, easy for staff, flawless for events.